welcome students. In this video, we will try to work with our practical number 10A. It is creating the web application to demonstrate reading and writing operations with the XML. Everybody knows XML is extensible markup language, and .NET provides the classes like XML text reader, XML text writer, which are used for the sake of writing and reading the content from and to the XML file. So let's see in this practical how we can create XML file, how we can write the content inside XML file, and as well as how we can go for reading the content from the XML file. I'm planning to create a XML file which will be holding the information of students. So that is what my motive is, that I will be holding the information of students. So let's try to build a new project. I'm going to file and creating the new web project. Inside the web project, I'm creating two different pages, one for reading contents and second for writing contents. So a new project get added. Here I am interested in creating the new web project, new web page. So added the new web form. On this web form, I am just adding a small button. And when the user clicks on this button, the XML file must be created. So I am providing the text on this button as write XML. Now here I am interested in writing the code which will be creating the XML file and adding the content inside this XML file. The first task is import the namespaces which are required. So the namespaces which are required, they are systems IO namespace as well as a namespace which is required is systems XML namespace. So two namespaces are being imported by us. And here first I am creating an object of a class named as a file stream because the file should be created. So I had created an object of file stream. The object name fs has been created. And I'm initializing the object by saying new file where I would like to create a file. I'm interested in creating the file inside a D drive with the name as what should be the new file stream I need to create. So I'm saying new file stream and the file I need to create inside a D drive which is named as abay.xml. Further, I am providing over here the file mode. As I would like to create a file, my file mode will be file mode.create. So new file get created over here with the help of file stream class object. Further, I need to go for creating an object of XML text writer. So I have specified XML text writer, right? But this XML text writer class is not been available. If you can't see the class, don't worry. As you're using the higher version, you can just do one thing. Just reduce your framework version by going to the project properties, selecting over here .NET framework. Maybe I'm selecting 4.0. If it has been already available and seen by you as XML text writer, there is no need of changing anything. So here it comes inside the web form in the write XML. Now I am creating an object of XML text writer. So XML text writer, I am creating the object name as writer equal to new XML text writer. In the bracket, the file stream object name I am providing as fx. The encoding you would like to provide, I don't want to provide any encodings, UTF-8 to UTF, etc. I don't want to provide, so I am providing over here null. So writer object get created. I am specifying the formatting. Everything should be indented properly. So look and feel of the page. XML file should be also appropriate. Now, what the XML file consists of? XML file consists of various documents. Documents consist of elements. The first document must be started. So writer, this XML text writer class object, we can use the method named as write start document. So here I'd use the write start document. As you started document, you must end it document. So I'm providing writer dot write end document. So document has been started, document has been ended. Similarly, I need to start the element inside the document. So I am providing writer dot write start element. Inside the write start element, I am providing the element name as students. Similarly, I am specifying a write end element. So I am writer dot write end element. The start element, end element has been completed. Now inside this start and end element, I would like to add a child element because I had created an element called as students. And under the student, I will be adding now multiple students. So here I am mentioning as writer dot write start element. But now I am specifying over here student. And this element I want, we should be having an attribute. So I am providing writer dot write attribute string. So inside the attribute string, you have to provide the attribute name as well as the value. An attribute name I am providing name, comma, the attribute value I had given as ABC. Again, I am providing writer dot write attribute string. The attribute string provided by me as age and the value provided by me as 19. So this is the first student information. Now I am just using the copy paste for completing my second student information. So this is writing the start document. This is the writing of the students element. This is the ending of the students element. But this student element need to be ended first. So first I complete by saying writer dot write end element. Fine. My task is over. So this is the main document. Under that students is there. Under that student is there. This is completion of the first student. This is completion of all students. And this is completion of the document. And now this is the only value which I repeated for the second student. So now the contents have been copied for a second student. The name is provided by me as BBC. Age may be provided by me as 29 and so on. My task has been completed. But once you complete ending of document, then you have to close the writer. So how to close the writer? By using writer.close. And file stream object is created. So file stream also need to be closed. So you had called file stream close. Now I had run the page. Once I run the page, I am getting one button on it. You know that our file name was AWP.XML, which is present inside D drive. So after giving a click on a button, the file will be created and the contents are written inside the XML file. So I just given a click on write XML. So why no messages are displayed? As no messages are displayed by me in a program, so nothing has been displayed. But now, if you go towards your D drive, and inside D drive, you can find your XML file named as AWP.XML. You just give a right click on it and open it inside Notepad or any other XML editor. And you can find the XML file get created, which has students with the name ABC, age 19, with the name BBC and age 29. So this is a simple way by which it is possible for you to write the content inside the XML file. In the next video of this practical, we will see how to read the contents from the XML file.